ChatGPT from OpenAI or Gemini from Google. So these two AIs are among the best, the most powerful, and the strongest and the most used AIs in the world. But which one is truly the best AI? So hello everyone, my name is Faiz. I'm a software engineering student from IDN Boarding School Solo. And today in this video, I'm going to compare these two AIs and I'm going to find out which AI would deserve the title of the best AI in the world. So let's get started. So in this video, I have several points or several main fields to compare about. So let's get started with the first field, that is the popularity and the ecosystems. So after doing some research on some websites and other statistic and data platforms, I found that from the monthly visit site, ChatGPT reached about 700 million users per month as of August 2025, while Gemini only get about half of it, so like 400 million users per month. We can see here that GPT more popular than the Gemini, but we have to know that Gemini ecosystem is directly connected to the Google ecosystems like Google Docs and other platforms such as Google Docs, emails, then spreadsheet and others Google platforms. But ChatGPT is also not left behind. After doing many collaborations, ChatGPT has some integration product with Microsoft, such as Microsoft Bing and Copilot. So maybe in this field, both of these AI equal, yeah. So let's next to the second point or second field, that is the most interesting part of AI, that is the intelligence and the accuracy. So yeah, ChatGPT, after doing some research, of course, ChatGPT is really strong when it comes with text like coding or generating idea or making a book or brainstorming creative idea and something else. Yeah, text, creative idea and brainstorming. ChatGPT is really strong in these fields. And the other side, Gemini performs better in long context processing and real-time data because it's directly connect with Google search. So Gemini perform in real-time data and long text processing, GPT creative writing and text-based context. Yeah, I think again it's equals. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini for different purposes. Then let's move to the third field, that is the multimodality. So as I said before, ChatGPT is really strong in text-based content, like generating creative idea, then coding. Maybe it can solve your code in your bug, and the other text-based content. Yeah, but Gemini can perform better in like multi-input such as image, audio, even video. So if you want to use ChatGPT, you can use text-based content, but Gemini it more variables like the input, audio input, and then image, and then video. Okay, let's move to the last point. The fourth point is about the practical use. You can use ChatGPT for like solve your bug or making a book like I said before, or generating idea for brainstorming to make some events or some like that. And you can use Gemini if you're doing some research about something, because Gemini is very flexible to many platforms. It can connect to Google Search, Google Docs, Gmails, and others. Okay, well, now here we are in the conclusion sections. Yeah, for me, the choice to use ChatGPT and Gemini, it depends on the user needs. So if you want to use text-based contents, some creative idea, writings, and other, go with ChatGPT. But if you are doing some research, then you want multi-input platforms, flexibles, go with Gemini. So maybe that's all for me. I do apologize if I have a mistakes. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.